Introducing Bharat Kavach, an initiative of All India Bharat Gas Distributors Association powered by Evita Soft Solutions. Let's understand the process to be able to contribute to the cause by following the instructions step by step. Open the website bharatkavach.com. On the home page, click on Login from the menu. For distributorship registration, click on Distributors Sign Up button. This will lead you to Distributors Verification page. Insert your SAP code in Distributorship code box. You will receive an OTP from Bharat Kavach portal on your registered mobile number and email ID. Enter the OTP to proceed with verification process. After successful verification, distributor sign-up form will open. After filling in all the details, choose your user ID and password and click the Submit button. After successful registration, log in using your user ID and password from login form. Your dashboard will now open. Now you need to add your employees in Bharat Kavach portal. From the menu, select Employee and then Employee Registration. Employee Registration page will now open. Here you can add employees one by one or use the provision for Excel upload. For Excel upload, click on Upload Bulk Employee List button. Get a sample Excel file by clicking on Sample Excel button. Add all employees' details in the same Excel file and save it. Choose the same file for uploading and click on Import. The system will now show you the number of record uploaded after successfully uploading the data. You can view the list of employees by selecting Employee and Employee Registration from the menu. For uploading image and other documents, click on icon from the image column of that particular employee record. Here you can view or update profile pic and documents of selected employee. For uploading information of the deceased, select Deceased and further select Deceased Information from the menu. Then select the name of deceased employee from the drop-down list. Here you will see the details of selected employee. Now fill up other details related to his or her death. Upload deceased proof of death and submit the form by clicking on Submit button. After submitting, you will see the status of your deceased application. It will now proceed for the verification process. If admin discard the application for some reason, you will be able to see it in the status. In such case, the highlighted or mentioned correction can be made and by clicking on button from action column, the same form can be resubmitted. Upon approval, the status of application will be displayed. Once approved, admin will broadcast your application and the information of the deceased employee which was uploaded will start broadcasting on website as well as on mobile application. Let's now proceed further to understand how to make the transaction for the donation via website and mobile application. Let's understand the process via website. Open bharatkavach.com on your browser. Then choose Donate option from the menu. The list of the deceased will be visible to the user. Click View Details to view the details of the selected deceased. The detailed information about the selected deceased will now be visible on the page. For contributing, click on I would like to contribute. This will open the user verification page. The registered user can now sign in to make the desired contribution by entering his registered mobile number and then clicking on Send OTP button. Enter OTP received on mobile number and click on Submit OTP. On submitting OTP, user will be redirected to the payment page, where user will enter the amount and click on Contribute button. Here the user will be further redirected to payment gateway page. Various modes of payment will appear for the user to choose from. For demonstration purpose, let's select UPI by entering UPI ID, mobile number and email ID and click on Pay Now. After selecting payment, user can see the details of transaction like transaction ID, date and time, amount, and transaction status. Let's now understand the process via mobile application. To begin with, download and install the Bharat Kavach application designed by Evita Soft Solutions from Play Store for Android and Apple Store for iOS on your mobile. Open the application after installation and insert registered mobile number and click on Get OTP for one-time login. Upon receiving the OTP on the registered mobile number through SMS, enter the same to proceed with verification process. After verification, the user will be logged into Bharat Kavach application, enabling the user to view the dashboard showing two options. 1. Deceased info and 2. Donation history. For more options, click the menu button for other selections. By selecting Edit Profile, user can view his profile and can update his contact number. For making contribution, select Deceased Info from Dashboard. This will enable the user to access the list of all deceased which are being broadcast. To access further information and details on the deceased, click and select Deceased from the list. Now to make contribution, enter the amount and click on Make Payment. The user will now be redirected to Payment Gateway. After entering the billing details, selecting the mode of payment, click on Pay Now. Upon selecting the payment mode, the payment gateway will send request to the selected mode for processing payment. After successful payment, user can see details of the transaction like transaction ID, date and time, amount, and transaction status. To access donation history, go back to the dashboard and select Donation History to view all the transactions made. Click on a specific transaction in order to get a detailed view of that transaction. To support the noble cause, users from all over India can now contribute for helping the deceased employee's family. An initiative conceptualized by All India Bharat Gas Distributors Association and powered by Evita Soft Solution. bharatkavach.com. For any technical support, you can contact us. Evita Soft Solutions 86910 54064. Abhishek Singh 74999 Advari Kulkarni 98900 94075. Or you can email us at info@bharatkavach.com.